removes those small trees that are thicker than our arms. With its excellent performance, the Koham Off-Road Remote Control Lawn Mower can easily cut through them, not to mention ordinary mountain pests or trimming small bushes. This is not a power level that any hybrid lawnmower can show. The Koham lawnmower is not only powerful, but also extraordinary. It can easily climb a 55 steep slope, and even while climbing, it can continue to weed steadily, showing excellent off-road capabilities and work efficiency. If you have any extreme scenes or complex terrains you want to challenge, you might as well leave a bold message in the comment area to tell us.